Real-life English. Learn English at the grocery store, pharmacy, and gas station. Hello everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Tips. Have you ever felt nervous speaking English in public? Don't worry. In today's lesson, we'll visit 3 everyday places: the grocery store, the pharmacy, and the gas station. You'll learn useful vocabulary, common expressions, and simple sentences that native English speakers use every day. Let's get started. Part 1. Grocery store. Our first stop is the grocery store. When you enter the store, you usually take a shopping cart or a shopping basket. Here are some useful words: shopping cart, basket, fruits, vegetables, bakery, dairy section, frozen food, checkout. Example sentences: where can I find the milk? It's in the dairy section. I'd like 1 kilogram of apples, please. These bananas are on sale. Remember, on sale means the price is lower. For sale means you can buy it. When you're ready to leave, go to the checkout counter. The cashier may ask, cash or card? You can answer, card please, or I'll pay with cash. Part 2. Pharmacy. Now let's visit the pharmacy. A pharmacy is more than just a place to buy medicine. You can also find shampoo, soap, toothpaste, vitamins, first aid supplies, baby products. Useful vocabulary: prescription, over-the-counter medicine, pharmacist, pain reliever, cough medicine. Examples: I have a headache. Can you recommend something? I need cough medicine. Do I need a prescription? If the medicine is over the counter, you can buy it without a doctor's prescription. Part 3. Gas station. Finally, let's go to the gas station. Useful vocabulary: gas, fuel, gas pump, gas tank, receipt, convenience store. Example sentences: my car needs gas. I'd like to pay by card. Can I have a receipt, please? Many gas stations also have a small convenience store where you can buy drinks, snacks, and other everyday items. Quick review. Today, you learned vocabulary for grocery store, pharmacy, gas station. Try using these new words the next time you speak English. Practice every day, and little by little, your confidence will grow. Thank you for watching Learn English with Tips. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Write one new word you learned today in the comments below. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every day is a great day to improve your English. See you in the next lesson. Bye.